So how do you know if you're working with the right company or with a legitimate company? I'm going to answer those questions here on this video today. Alright guys, let me get this thing in the garage. Well, nose into the garage anyway, because it don't fit obviously. And get it jacked up, and we'll see if we got the right tools for the job.
You can't find the right tool in this garage, Mr. Arizona? You don't belong near a car.
Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Work Hard Elswick, back out in the garage again, and I got something a little interesting for y'all today. So as you can kind of see, the truck's on jacks and the front tires are off of it. Well, there's a good reason for that, and I will show you guys what's going on right now. Alright guys, check this out. Let me get these lights on here. Is my door gonna open okay? Yeah. This thing needs a bath bad. It's been a minute. So this is what we got going on. I don't know how good. Let me see if I can block some of that sunlight. So everything looks good with the wheel ring, right? Man. So I don't know what's happening here or what happened, but a section of the wheel ring there is red. It's supposed to be white, set on white. I don't know if moisture got in it or what happened, but that's happening on both sides there. You know, you can see it's good all the way around the other way. So I had to reach out to FCKLIGHTBARS, and I got to be honest, I was a little apprehensive about doing so, even though they told me I had a lifetime warranty on this stuff. I just heard some bad stuff on the internet about these guys. But look at what I got here. Brand new in the box wheel rings to replace the two fronts on the truck here. So I called, actually I sent them a message on Instagram first and let them know the problems I was having. Look at that, we got some cool stickers. I let them know what problems I was having, and they basically told me to send them some videos or shoot them some pictures, and I did that, and within a day they had new wheel rings in the box on the way to me, at no charge to me. No shipping charges, no nothing. Say, hey, we're gonna take care of you. We know, you know, you purchased, you know, these are the dual halo chase. So they're a little bit more expensive than the other ones, and not that that matters. Anything that you buy for those guys is going to be, it's going to have a lifetime warranty on it. So they did me right. They did me right. So now we're going to get these old ones off and get the new ones installed. Put the wheels back on. Should be pretty easy. I did a original video a little while back. I think it was October, November last year, October, September, or something like that. If you look back through the YouTube feed, you'll see the original video where I installed these, but they've been on the truck for like 5 or 6 months. Obviously you can see the rock light on there. I've had no issues out of those whatsoever. Actually, from all the other people that I see with rock lights, really aren't as bright as mine. At least the white's not. So these things are a little dirty. They need to be cleaned up, but at any rate, they took care of me. I talked to Dan there on the phone. He got it all set up and got it shipped out to me. So I appreciate those guys for that, for sure. All right, let's go ahead and get these bad boys changed out now. So basically when I installed them, and I'm going to pull them off the same way, I'll get all the wiring cut where I got it zip tied here. So I'll cut these zip ties, get this loose so I can disconnect it here. The brakes got to come back apart because I want to get to the back here to the heat shield, and I'm going to take the whole assembly apart and just put the whole new one back on it. So interesting thing that I did not know, because I was just going to have them send me this strip and pull the strip off and put the new strip on, but they don't warranty just parts, so they warranty the whole thing. So if anything like this happens to y'all, and you got to get a new one, they're going to send you the whole piece just like they sent me. So we're going to get the rotor off, the caliper, the bracket. We'll get all that pulled off. I'll shoot a time lapse of this for you guys, but pretty simple on the front of these trucks, no big deal. We'll get that knocked out. I'll show you guys this side, and then we'll see what we got when we're all done. Hopefully that sun's not getting in the way too much there, guys. So that's it. Pull the old one off, put the new one on. Oh, drop my anti-seize here. But I decided to put rivets back in it because a couple of the screws there in the old one were not out, but they weren't holding as tight as they should have been. And I am going to put some anti-seize around this thing. That see me change any light bulbs or anything before, this stuff is the bomb diggity. Any of your electrical connections like this, especially stuff that's out here exposed, some of this grease on them pins. them bad boys from letting any moisture in. The sun's blinding me. Oh, there we go. Squeeze the excess out. And she should be good. We'll get her zip tied down there so she don't flop around, but she's stiff. She ain't going nowhere. All right, guys, here we go. See if I can block this sun. There's the final product. Now we're white all the way around. Got that line tied in. She's all secured again. This thing's on there as tight as it's going to be, which is pretty tight. So there you go. Simple as that. Just got to throw the wheel back on this side and she'll be all done. Let me get the other side knocked out real quick, and I'll show you guys the finished product. Easy peasy. God dang, that stuff is glowing. Look at that. Beaming. All right, we got both sides done, guys. It's like blurring out the camera. Both replaced, looking good. There you go. Old ones off, they're right there. Kind of beat up. It was a rough winter on them. New one's on. Looks like we're skating on ice now. All right, I'm digging it. I'm digging it for sure. All right, let me get these wheels slapped back on here. Cool. All right, guys, that's gonna wrap that one up. Kind of got dark on me. I had to wait to the next morning, but as you can see, she's sitting back down on all fours and ready to go. So not too bad. Good looking out on FCK Light Bars for taking care of me, getting me those replacement rings. Here's the old ones over here. and we're looking good again, rolling good. So go check me out over on Instagram at workhardelswick, at work_hard_Elswick. I got a big giveaway going on right now. 8-piece rock light kit up for grabs. So go over there, check that out, get entered on that. Hit the subscribe button. Trying to get this page built up a little bit and see how far we can take it. Giveaway over on Instagram. I hit 5K here, so we got 5,000 followers over there now, which is just awesome. I never thought I'd have that many followers, but that page is growing pretty good, and now it's time to see if we can get this one to grow and get it to where we want to be. More content coming very soon. Talked to the guy with the powder coat oven yesterday. That will be here April 8th, I think he said. I'll be ready for shipping April 8th. So I think today's the 2nd. This video will go up tomorrow on the 3rd. So only leaves a few days left, and we'll have the powder coat oven here in the garage. So, all right, guys, hit me up in the comments. Let me know if you have any questions. Hit that like button. Hit that subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell icon so you can stay up to date with all the latest videos that I'll be throwing out. And now that it's getting nice outside again, we should have a lot more content coming. All right, guys, stay up. Peace.